Telegram is one of the few chatting apps that allow you to have a wallet within their ecosystem. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram crypto wallet that allows you to have access to a ton space, send crypto, receive crypto, buy, swap, peer-to-peer withdrawal, as well as withdrawal. Now, the Telegram crypto wallet is quite easy to set up, and this is all you need to do. Now, open Telegram, and once Telegram is open, you want to tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner of your screen, and you're going to see wallets. You can also search why Telegram is open by tapping on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen and searching for wallets. Tap on wallet, and all you need to do is tap on start in this section, and you'll be able to open your wallet. Now, when you tap on wallet from your menu, tap on I agree to the terms of use and tap on continue. This will open the Telegram wallet. Allow this to load, and part of the benefit, you can purchase Bitcoin, Toncoin, Notcoin, USDT by card and via peer-to-peer market. You can send crypto to your friends. The worldwide transfer on Telegrams are instant and free, and you can access your wallet directly from your Telegram application. Tap on Let's Go, and your Telegram wallet will be created. If you want to have access to your ton space, if you do not find it in this section, tap on the settings gear at the top left corner of your screen, and you see show ton space better. Toggle on this, and your ton space will be enabled. You can go back, and here you'll be able to see your ton space. Tap on start exploring. You can add an existing wallet to your ton space, which includes the manual importation and recover with email or Telegram. If this is your first time creating a ton space, all you need to do is tap on start exploring ton. You can back up via email or you can back up manually. This will totally depend on you. If you choose to back up manually, you're going to be given a key phrase that you need to write down. The key phrase is very important, and you do not want to share this with anyone, because sharing this information will give them access to your ton space as well as your assets on ton space. Tap on continue, and you need to enter the order to complete the backup process. If you choose to back up via email, you need to enter an email address. Once you've entered the email, tap on continue and enter the verification code that has been sent to that email. Enter the code that was sent to your email, and the wallet will be successfully backed up. If you do not find the code, you can always check the spam of your email to find the code. Tap on view ton space, and you have access to your ton space. You'll be able to send, deposit, and swap. Also within your wallet, you'll be able to send, add crypto, exchange, and access the peer-to-peer market. So that's how to create a Telegram crypto wallet. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.